Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the fourth element rock hopper slippers. So these are a pretty tough pair of slippers, and these are really designed for kind of tropical diving where you're somewhere nice and warm, but you need to protect your feet, and you don't want any kind of soppy sort of 3mm slipper because you're wearing open heel fins. So this is made for scuba diving, but it's made to have a tough yet flexible sole. So nice thin material, so you don't want anything too clunky. It does actually have a glide skin material, so to seal over the top, which is going to help prevent water from flushing in and out. So it's going to keep your feet relatively warm. The neoprene itself is nice and stretchy. The seams on the inside, I can't find any that are sort of particularly uncomfortable. These are all flat lock stitching, so it's quite smooth against your skin. I found some boots can rub with the stitching, but these feel much softer. We've got different levels of protection sort of all over them. So just over the top of the shoe, just on here, this is where your sort of foot pocket of your fin is going to rub. So this has this reinforced outer lining, so that's going to protect them as long as possible. We've got a little bit of protection over the toes as well, again for sort of abrasions and sort of rubbing on the foot pocket of your fins. But then the undersole, or the sole itself, this is sort of almost vulcanized rubber material, still flexible, so it can still move, it still feels like a slipper, but it's about sort of 4, maybe 5mm thick, so it's nice and thick. So if you're sort of walking over a rocky beach, it's not going to be uncomfortable. We've got a few drainage holes just cut into the side here as well. So again, it's going to be easy to get them off. You're not going to get that suction as you're trying to sort of pull your foot out. Decent size kind of notch on the bottom here because it's that sort of 4, maybe 5mm thick. That acts as a bit of a notch for your fin strap, but you can sort of loop it up higher as well and cut over this sort of loop, which is mainly made to sort of help you get in and out of it. And yeah, it also comes with ergonomic footbeds, a left and a right. You can use these, you don't have to. They're pretty thin down at the toe end, and then at the bottom end we've got some cushioning as well. They're not really made for us sort of walking around, going on any hikes, but yeah, if it feels comfortable, then definitely throw them in. If not, you can use them without. So all in all, really nice, smart. I definitely like their design. And yeah, it's fourth element, so it's going to be nice and comfortable. This is the fourth element rock hopper slipper. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.